Hi viewers, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq, and today's recipe is a dal wheat recipe. Like dal rice, it's dal wheat. So let's see how to make the recipe. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get notification when I upload a new video. For preparing dal wheat, we need 1 glass of dal and 2 glasses of broken wheat. For 1 glass of dal, we need 2 glasses of water, and 1 glass of wheat, we need 2 glasses of water. So total 6 glasses of water, and I have added enough salt, also a few curry leaves. The dal is half boiled already. In the same cooker again I am adding the wheat and boiling it. So now we can boil it for one more whistle, and the wheat and dal is being cooked. Little bit of turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. And how to make garam masala at home, for that I have given a link in the description box, you can see it from there. And 1 big onion sliced into small pieces, 3 tomatoes cut into small pieces, few peppercorns and cumin, half teaspoon cumin, and 10 garlic cloves sliced into small pieces, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 6 green chilies split, and few coriander leaves cut into small pieces, 1 carrot cut into small pieces, few curry leaves. And after the wheat is boiled, we can add this masala. We have to prepare it now. Come, let's see how to prepare it. Switch your flame on, and now the vessel is getting heated, and when the vessel is hot, we'll add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. The vessel is hot and I am pouring the coconut oil. When the oil is nice and hot, I am adding the peppercorns and cumin. After a few seconds, now I'll add the garlic, sliced garlic. Now I'll add the sliced onions. Stir the onion well. Add the split green chilies now. Now add the ginger garlic paste. Stir them well. Otherwise ginger garlic paste will stick to the vessel, so keep stirring. Keep the flame low. Now add all the dry ingredients, the masalas, and mix them well so that the masalas don't burn. If you want it spicy, you can add chili powder. I don't want it spicy, so I am not adding the chili powder, because if chili powder is added, we can't give it to kids. Now add tomatoes. Stir them well. Add a little bit of salt. Use the lid and cover it so that the tomatoes get cooked fast. Keep a little flame. Let it cook for a few seconds, like 15 to 20 seconds. Now we'll check whether the tomatoes are cooked. Yes, the tomatoes are cooked. And now we'll add coriander leaves, curry leaves and carrot. Now we'll mix them together. And now we'll use the lid so that the carrot gets cooked. 4 to 5 minutes we have to cook it. Now we'll check whether the carrot is cooked. Yeah, the carrot is cooked. And now we'll add the wheat and dal, little by little. And give it a good mix. Now I have mixed it well and let it just be in the flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Put the lid. The recipe is ready now and it can be served. Shaariq, tell. Recipe is ready to loud it.
Recipe is ready.
We'll eat now, sir.
Eat now.
If you want, you can add 3 to 4 tablespoons of curd if you like curd taste. I have added 3 to 4 tablespoons of curd. And now it's ready to serve. Serve with lemon pickle. If you like this video, like, comment and share it with your family and friends. Until next, take care. Bye bye.